everybody, welcome back to Susannah's Kitchen. I hope everyone's doing really well. We've actually just returned from our family holiday. We've been in Bali for a couple of weeks, had a super amazing time. Now we're back, so I'm looking at creating some healthier, fresh, summery dishes. So today I'm making an avocado salmon noodle bowl. It's really simple. It's actually got some mango in it, so it's really fresh. It's got that beautiful kind of zingy flavour from the lime that we're putting in it as well. And we've got a little bit of heat from the chili. It's really, really simple. I'm going to make this for one person. Let me show you how to do that. And if you want to double it up, triple it up, etc., then you can definitely do that. But I get a lot of people asking me sometimes for recipes that are quick and simple and easy just to do for one person. So that's why I'm choosing just to do it for one. So I'm making it for my husband tonight. I'm sure he's going to love this. This is right up his street. So yeah, let me show you the ingredients. Let's get cooking. And lastly, just to mention my new cookbook, 4 Seasons. At the time I'm recording this, it should be then available for you when this is published. So it's been on pre-order for a while now, but I should, when this is published, have stock of that. So if you do want to have a copy of my new cookbook, 4 Seasons, then head over to my website. It's www.susannahskitchen.uk. Thank you for all your support, everybody, and please don't forget to hit the like button for me. And if you're new here, then I'd love it if you would subscribe as well. So let's go and start cooking tonight's dinner. So I'm bringing you today a really nice, healthy, easy dish with salmon. I'm going to show you how to make this for one person, and then if you want to extend that, double it up, triple it up, do whatever you need to do, then it's going to work exactly the same. So almost creating a little bit of a salsa with this. We're going to be using some mango, which I've got in the fridge ready, and then we're going to be using an avocado as well. I've got lime, chilies, I've got some seeds, red onion. I'm going to add a little bit of sriracha just for a little bit of heat. If you'd rather use some fresh chili, you can do that, or if you don't like the heat, then just exclude it. That's absolutely fine. Some extra virgin olive oil, and then just noodles of your choice, and they are just going to be cooked separately. These ones just need to be hydrated with a little bit of hot water, so it's really nice and simple. So there really isn't too much cooking actually involved in this recipe. We're going to be using the Ninja to create our salmon. So I've just put it into a baking dish here, so it's just a really shallow one. And then I'm going to put that on the rack into the Ninja. And as you can see, you could fit several into here if needed. So let's grab my oil. We don't want too much oil because obviously it's going to add a lot of calories to it, but sort of just a little drizzle like that. It's probably about half a teaspoon, I would say, when you're only cooking one piece. And then I've just got some crushed dried chilies, and really that's down to personal taste. I think just a little pinch of those is going to be nice just over the top of that salmon. Maybe a tiny bit more because my husband does like his chili. There you go. I think that's fine. So then we want to put this on to bake in the Ninja, and we want to do that until it's cooked through. And basically the edges, when you kind of press it with a fork, it will start flaking and you'll see that it is cooked. So let's get that into the Ninja. I'm going to go with 180 and I'll let you know how long that takes. So I haven't preheated it at all. I'm literally just going with it like this. So let's lower in our salmon. Perfect. Close the lid and get it on to bake on 180. Okay, so my noodles come like this. These are rice noodles. They're just in a nest. There you go. So one nest should be enough for one person. And with these ones, they just say to let them stand for 4 minutes covered with some boiling water on them. And then you just rinse them under cold water and they're ready to go. So these are really simple to make. So that's the noodles. We'll do those in a moment. So just getting a bowl here for my onion. So salmon is cooking. I've got my mango diced up now. I've got my red onion, which is about 1/4 of a red onion, and that is just finely diced. So that is ready to go. I've got half a lime, And which bits? This bit's a little bit bigger. Let's juice as much as we can. Get that lovely liquid out of that lime. Lots of juice. Lovely. And then let's tip that over the red onion. Give that a little mix in that lime juice. Perfect. Just let that sit. My herbs here, I've got some coriander, and actually I had a little bit of dill in my garden, so I've used a little bit of dill as well. And then I also had some chives. So I've got a little bit of a mixture, but coriander really is going to work beautifully with this dish. But again, you can mix it up like I have, it's up to you. And then the rest of the lime that I've got here, I'm just going to cut that into some little wedges. Great. And then I've got my avocado ready to go. So let's just slice up my avocado into little chunks. And then we can scoop that out, or you can scoop it out and then slice it. Doesn't really matter how you do it. Let's get in and let's scoop out all that gorgeous flesh. Love avocado. Really, really nice. This one is quite ripe actually. Look, we've got a couple of brown bits, but I'm never too worried about that. I've just had a little check of my salmon, and that is nicely cooked. Really depends how you like your salmon. I just want mine to be nice and flaky. As you can see, it's coming apart. It's coming off of the skin beautifully, and that is how I want it. 12-13 minutes is great on bake. That has given me a beautiful piece of salmon there. So that is now ready to go. So to my bowl of my onions, I've added my cooked noodles in. So let's toss those around. I'm going to add in the avocado and also my mango. Let's give that a nice mix. Oh, so you can see where I'm saying this is like a salsa, so like a noodle salsa. That's what I would say this is like. So if you want a little bit of chili, I'm just going to add a little bit of that now and just mix that through. So I'm opting for sriracha, but as I said, you can use some fresh chili if you've got that. Depends what you prefer, really. You just want to give that a good mix. I think the mango and avocado are quite cooling, so it's nice to have a little bit of chili in here. Noodles aren't really sticking together, but they do sort of clump together. So you just need to kind of make them come apart a little bit. Lovely. So let's get my serving bowl here, and let's get those noodles and all of that lovely salsa. This is so fresh and delicious. Michael's going to love this for his dinner tonight. Quite nice and healthy as well. And then I have flaked my salmon. That is ready to go. So let's put that over the top. Salmon's nice and warm still. There you go. Get that salmon all over. So we are almost there. I've got my fresh herbs to add. I'm just sprinkling mine over the top. If you want to mix them through, you can do that. Gorgeous. Then I've got a few toasted seeds to go over this as well. So we're getting all of that goodness and good healthy fats in there. Lovely. We've got extra lime wedges, and then if you wish to, just drizzle over a little extra sriracha on top like that. Quick, easy, healthy. It's a great lunch, it's a great dinner. I hope you've enjoyed the video. It's a really fast one, this one. Please don't forget to hit the like button for me and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you give it a try. So there we go, my salmon and avocado noodle bowl all completed. I think that's record time for a Ninja Foodi recipe. Didn't take any time at all, and that salmon is so quick and tender to cook in the Ninja. I hope you've enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching.